guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be going over my monthly BoxyCharm. I believe this is for the month of July, even though it is now August. I think this is July's box. I did get this like a week ago. This might be August box, I'm not sure. So I'm going to be testing out the products that I got in my BoxyCharm and also just doing like the rest of my makeup on camera with you guys. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Alright, so starting off in the box. So this theme is totally, okay. So the first thing in the box is this, and I actually already put this on my skin. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has like a light pink kind of consistency, and then when you put it on your face, it does give you like it does give your skin like a little bit of a glow. As you can see, that's what's on my skin right now. I don't have anything else on my skin. So I did already use this, and so far I do like it. It does feel like very moisturizing on my skin. So this retails for, okay then, this retails for $42, which I was not expecting. That is a lot of money for a little product like that. So it does say that it hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. And I do feel like my skin feels really nice right now. So I do so far really like it. Alright, this next product I actually am not going to use in this video just because I'm going to be putting my makeup on. Alright, so this next product is the Pure Complexion Authority mask. So this is their brightening peel off mask. I'm really excited to use this. I'm definitely gonna have to update you guys on how I like this. Let us know in the comments if you guys have tried this and what you thought about it. It's created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. Licorice extract, skin nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. So I'm really excited to give this a try, but I'm not going to be trying that in this video. Again, let us know if you guys have tried it. Alright, I'm going to actually start with my eyes first because I'm going to be using the Sweet Talk palette by ColourPop for my eyes, and I do want to use one of the glitter shades in here, so I think I'm going to do my eyes first so I don't get any glitter all over my face. So let's do that first.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stay. Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stay.
Guys, I messed up. There's actually a mascara in the BoxyCharm. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I was really excited to try this and I completely forgot that it was in here, but I'm going to still use it on top of the mascara that I was just using anyway. It says that it's supposed to make your lashes full. This retails for $23. So, ooh, I love the packaging. Super hot pink packaging. And let's see what the brush looks like. Ooh, oh my... Okay, is it just me or does this look like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand? It looks very similar. So I'm just going to put this on top of the mascara that I just had on. Obviously I won't be able to tell if this is any good, but I figure why not. Okay, so I actually do, I don't know if you guys can see, but I do see a difference now in this lash compared to this one. This one seems a little more like full and lifted. So I'm going to have to try this on its own to really see, but it does seem to have a drier formula, which I actually prefer. I feel like drier formulas work better with my lashes. It's definitely a good like topping mascara. Like I feel like this mixed with one of your favorite mascaras might be like a really good combo. So far, I do really like it. Next up in the box are actually a pair of lashes. So I'm going to throw these on. These are by the brand LASHAHOLIC Luxury Lashes. And these look like a really pretty style. So these ones retail for $14.99, which isn't a bad price for lashes. And yeah, let's just throw these on and see how they apply. Alright, so the lashes are on. They are super pretty. I really love the look of them. They're like really like flirty and girly. The only thing I will say is they do have a very like sharp curve to them, which fits the eye nicely, but I can feel it a little bit on the ends kind of like poking into my eyes. So you do want to kind of adjust it so it doesn't do that. I mean, you might be able to cut it and maybe it won't do that, but because my eyes are more almond shaped, they're not as curved. I think that's why. I really, really liked how they fit in my inner corner because they fit right in there, and a lot of lashes will kind of be straight digging in, but these ones fit really nicely in the inner portion, which is what really usually I have an issue with, but overall I really, really like them. So now I'm going to move on to my face. I'm going to apply my foundation, which is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. So I am just going to apply this right onto my face. I like to usually do like 3 stripes here, 1 here, down the nose, and then just like a little bit there under my eyes. And then I am in the color Sand. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques. It looks really dirty, but I just washed it, I promise. And this is such a big sponge, but it really blends your foundation really easily because of the size of it. I really, really like it. So I'm just going to blend this into my skin. I know the color looks darker than my actual face, which it is, but it matches my body. So that is why I use a darker foundation. Alright, so that is what the foundation looks like blended. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I've been playing around with the KYLIE concealer, and I do actually really like it. This one is in the color Ivory, so I'm just going to apply this right under my eyes. Also, right down my nose, right in between my eyebrows. Alright, so now that we have everything blended, the next item inside of the BoxyCharm is the BECCA Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I'm excited to try this. It says an ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup to help extend wear. This weightless powder sets, perfects, and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water, this powder makes skin look awakened, fresh upon application. So I'm really excited to try this, and this retails for $39, which This is what the packaging looks like. I am just going to go in and set my under eyes with this and hope for the best. I hope that it turns out okay. I've heard that this gives your skin like a really like cooling sensation to it, so I'm really excited. But I just poured this into the cap. I'm just going to put this on my sponge and put this right on top of that concealer. It feels really, really weightless. Like I really do feel like you can't even feel that I'm like setting my face. It's the weirdest feeling. And it does have like a wet, like cooling feeling to it. Wow, that's really cool. I'm kind of just lightly setting my face with this. It feels like I'm spraying my face with setting spray. Like I cannot explain this feeling. It feels so bizarre to me. And my pores actually look really small right now. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but I do have pores around like this area. And I feel like they are kind of like gone. So that was actually the last item inside of the BoxyCharm. So I just want to quickly say that, wow. I just want to say that this box so far has been really, really good. I loved the lashes. So far, I love the way the powder feels in my skin. I love the way it looks. I really do like this mascara. Even though I did try it on top of another mascara, I can tell I feel like I'm going to like it. And I did really enjoy the way this made my skin feel. The foundation went on really nicely on top of it. So really excited. And also I'm really excited to try this mask. So let's just finish up the rest of my face. I'm going to quickly finish my under eyes, and I'm probably going to fast forward that as well.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. Hold on, stop. Hold on, stop.
Alright, so the eyes are finished. So now I just want to bronze the skin a little bit and contour. So I'm going into the Benefit Cheek Leaders Mini Bronze Palette. And I'm going to go in with HOOLA. And I'm just going to sculpt my cheeks with that shade.
Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears around the ground.
And then I'm going to go into my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in the shade Tantastic. And I'm just going to go over everything and just really bronze up the skin.
Then you said all I ever wanted was to love like this.
So I'm going to go into this blush, the gold blush right here that comes in this palette as well. And I'm going to put some of this on my cheeks.
All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel.
Alright, so now for highlight, I'm going to go into my JOUER Citrine highlight. It's very intense, very intense. Put this right on the cheekbones.
All I ever needed was to get up off my feet, 'cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little.
So now I'm just going to spray that with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright, so now for my lips, I'm just going to go in with my Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny, and I'm just going to fill my lips in. And then I'm going to top that with my ColourPop liquid lip in the shade MIDI. And this is a little bit drying, so I'm going to top it with something else after.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me.
Then right on top of that, I'm going in with the COVERGIRL lipstick in the shade Caramel Kiss. This is like a throwback to my channel, but I still love this lipstick so much.
Hold you close, and all your...
It just makes the lips way more creamier, and it gives it more of like a peachy vibe instead of like super cool tone. It kind of like evens it out. I love this combo. I've talked about it so many times on my channel. It's such a pretty combo. So that is the entire look completed. I really, really liked this month's BoxyCharm. Let me know if you guys got BoxyCharm this month and how you felt about it. I really, really liked it. I just wanted to mention that I've used this palette. I've used this ColourPop Sweet Talk palette so many times now, and I love it. You can create so many pretty looks, and I love the look that I created. I loved the lashes. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!